In this video, we'll be looking at how to solve a binomial distribution using a Casio calculator. So, a binomial distribution is a probability mass function of a discrete random variable generated from a random experiment with two possible outcomes that is conducted more than once. Let's say we have a probability distribution question like the one displayed on the screen here. So how are we going to solve this question using a calculator? Okay, so the question says, suppose a new vaccine is 80% effective in preventing a particular disease. So if 5 people are vaccinated, what is the probability that, so on Roman figure 1 we have that exactly 3 people at most, on Roman figure 2 at most 3 people, on Roman figure 3 at least 2 people will be prevented from getting the disease. So now when you want to calculate this kind of question using a calculator, a Casio calculator, first thing first, on question 1, now the formula for binomial distribution is the one displayed on the screen here. So for us to solve it using a Casio calculator, first thing first, we'll make sure we press this, then we'll press shift. Now we are solving question 1, which is the I part of it. Now you press sum of. Now the question is asking what's the probability of getting at exactly 3 people. So now, because it is exactly 3 people, you make sure x is equal to 3 here, and then for this up, x is equal to 3. So now after you have input this, you come back to your bracket, which is this. Now the formula says n combination x, so n is 5, so press 5, then we'll press shift, then we'll press this to give us combination. Now for us to get our x, we'll press alpha and then press this here, it will give us our x. So now times the vaccine is 80% effective, so our p is times 0.8. now it is to the power of x, so now we'll raise it to the power of x alpha x, then we'll come back down to our bracket and then multiply it again with, now our q is 1 minus our p, so for 1 minus p we are going to get 0.2. now okay, so 0.2. Now we have gotten our 0.2. So now we raise it. This is raised to the power of, now it is 5 minus alpha x from the formula. So the next thing to do is to press our equality sign, which is this. So our answer is given as 0.2048. So that is how to calculate the probability distribution for getting exactly 3 people from our I. So now on the II, it says at most 3 people. So what at most means is that it is a probability of x is less than or equal to 3. So it is from 0 to 3 people. So now for probability distribution of a binomial, our x starts from 0. So now when you already have this here, you already have this as your answer for exactly, so there's no need cleaning all of this. All you have to do is to come back and then edit your values. Now you press here Now you come back here, you press here, you come back to this upside. So now they're asking for at most 3 people. That means you are starting from 0 people to 3, because x in binomial starts from 0. So it's from 0 people. Sorry, I have to clean this. Start from 0 to 3 people. Our 3 is already there. So now the probability of at most 3 people now means that probability of x is less than or equal to 3. So now when we put our range of values starting from 0 to 3, every other thing remains. So now we press equal to, and then the answer that we got is 0.2627. This is our probability for binomial distribution of getting at most 3 people. Now, the third question says at least 2 people. At least 2 people means from 2 people above, probability of x is greater than or equal to 2. So now, there's no need cleaning anything. So we'll just come back again. Now, it says at least 2 people. So now we're starting from 2 people to the total number of people, which is 5 people. So now in place of 3 here, we're going to put 5. And then in place of 0 here, we are going to put from 2 people to 5 people. So now that is just what you have to change on how to get it. So now we'll come back and then press equal to here. So our answer is 0.9932. Now 328. So if you approximate, it's 0.9933. So this is how to get the probability of exactly 3 people, at most 3 people, and at least 3 people of a binomial distribution. Now, you have to know that your x starts from 0 in binomial distribution. So when they say at most 3 people, like in question 2 of it, we'll start that because x starts from 0, we are going to rise from 0 to 3 people. So this is how you get your exactly 3 people, at most 3 people, and at least 2 people.